Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Jedi Swap. This is an airdrop and it's free because it's in testnet right now, and this is running in a Starknet chain. So we are going to cover that about this project, and remember I am doing a giveaway this week of $50 from the Simple airdrop distribution that occurred last week. So today we are going to cover, like always in my videos, step by step how you apply to this airdrop, and we are going to cover of course the project and some stuff about it. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, Jedi Swap is a community-led, fully permissionless-led and composable AMM on Starknet, and we covered already Starknet. You can see this video, click the link that is appearing here if you didn't do this airdrop. I think this is a very interesting chain and project, and the Jedi Swap is running on Starknet, so we are going to cover that. But if you didn't do this airdrop, I recommend you to do it. And remember my airdrop organizer, the link is in the description, where you can see all the progress that we are doing in all the airdrops and check all my videos here. So today this project is a community, like I say, fully permissionless-led AMM and running on Starknet. So here I also going to put the link for my YouTube video of Starknet. The first thing to do is you need to follow them on Discord and Twitter. I'm quoting here the links for both things here. And guys, remember that I am doing a giveaway on Saturday, so you need to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my Twitter account at CryptoState, and put a comment in the 5 videos of this week from Monday to Friday, because I'm going to do a random shuffle for a comment on any of those videos, and I'm going to do that giveaway of $50 that I get from the distribution of Simple airdrop that we already covered. You can see that distribution here on PayPal, so already happened. So in this step by step, guys, the step 2 is go to the app. So when you go to the app first time, you are going to see this warning. You need to read this because Jedi Swap is on Starknet mainnet, which is currently in alpha. So there are going to be a state reset by Starkware in Q4. So go to this link, read all that. Tokens on mainnet may not migrate to the new network and may lose its value. Be sure to understand that. So click here, and the first thing is you need to connect the wallet. Because this is on Starknet, you have Argent-X or Braavos. We already installed these two wallets in previous airdrops, but if not, you are going to be prompted to install one of these. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to use Braavos just because you can use any of these two. So this is step 3, connect with a wallet Argent-X or Braavos. If you have this wallet from a while, you may need to update them right there. And to do that, you need a little bit of Ethereum to update it, to pay the gas fees. So when I click on my wallet, I had before here a warning to update it. So you need to do that in order to be able to use it after. But if not, then you are going to be able to use here this. Here you need to move your Braavos to Starknet Girly, so click on that, and here you are going to need tokens. So once you have the wallet, guys, you need to do step 4 is you need to use Starkware testnet, and you will need Faucet tokens for doing that. So go here to this first link, and you are going to put the link of your wallet. So go here. Remember that you need to be in Starknet Girly here, so copy here your wallet. And you go to the link here, you paste your account address, you click I'm not a bot, and then you click send request. I get this error because I already request today tokens, is once per day. So doing that, you are going to receive 0.002 tokens for doing this. And that is enough for this video, so you're going to be okay. So now step 5, after you enter here, we need to swap, enter into the liquidity pool and use the SAP on the application. So go to step 2 here on the application. Once you are here, you connect your wallet. Remember, I am using Braavos. You can use any wallet that you want. Approve this. You are going to see here your wallet and Starknet Girly, so that is okay. So here we are in the swap part. I'm going to select a token here, USDC in this case, and I'm going to put 0.0002 So that is 0.24 USDC. I'm going to swap this, confirm the swap. This is running on the testnet of Starknet in this point. So sign the transaction. You can see that the transaction was submitted. Click on open in browser, so you're going to be able to see in the testnet.starkscan.co how is the transaction going live here. So you probably are going to need to wait 1, 2 or 3 minutes in order to this to be triggered. So close this. You can add USDC to your wallet if you don't have, so approve that. So now if you go to your Braavos, you are going to see USDC added here. We are still one pending transaction, so we are waiting for that. In the meantime, I'm going to go to pool. I'm going to add liquidity here. I'm going to select also here a token. Oh wait, the transaction was confirmed, so I already have 0.24 USDC. I'm going to use that for the pool. So first, wait your transaction with your stablecoin. You can see now that I have less Ethereum, and I should see soon my USDC. So once you got the USDC, I'm going to add the liquidity here, and I'm going to use that USDC that I have. So I click max here on the USDC, and it will pair me the value with the Ethereum needed, and then I'm going to click in supply. Confirm supply, sign the transaction. Transaction submitted. Again, you can open this in your testnet starkscan.co, and you are going to see the transaction status. So we need to wait for that. So I will close that. Transaction received. You can see it's still processing. I will add these liquidity pool tokens to my wallet so I don't lose track of that. Already added, so I will wait for that. And in the meantime, I'm going to do the last step, which is the swap. This basically is with one click, you can enter a liquidity pool. It's going to do it automatically. So I will put 0.0100, and here I'm going to put 2 here. And I'm going to select a pair for this liquidity pool. And then I'm going to click on swap. I'm going to click on swap, confirm the swap, sign the transaction. The transaction was submitted, so we are going to wait until that happens. Guys, this is not a confirmed airdrop. For me, it's 80% confirmed, but probably Jedi Swap is going to have a token, and doing the trade, the liquidity pool, and the swap is going to be enough. And you are using Garlic Testnet for Starknet chain, so you don't need to worry about losing this money. And the stake option still is coming soon, so you don't have to do anything there. We already have a pool, we already did a swap, so you can see now in your liquidity that you have something here on the liquidity. You can add and remove it. I also recommend you to remove part of the liquidity maybe. So just a 50% in order to say that you use it all the transactions and did everything here. Sign the remove liquidity. Wait, the transaction is submitted. Now we need to wait the confirmation. But basically everything is working fine. I didn't have any issues here. Remember to follow them on Twitter and Discord. The links are going to be in the post. The post is like always for my videos. It's in my website cryptocurrencystate.net. You are going to see the post here for this video, and there you are going to have all this information. And the post of course is going to be at the end of the description of the video. So guys, that is all for this video Jedi Swap. Remember, I am doing a giveaway, so put a comment below on this video if you want to participate. You need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You need also follow me in Twitter at CryptoSystate. Like this video and put a comment below during these 5 videos of this week, and I'm going to do a shuffle for the $50 of USDT in Optimism network. So guys, that is all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.